Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to make this color called Naughty Pink. Alright, I don't know if you have seen Naughty Pink, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, now I have here in this test tube is what you call phenol red. Let me show you. Here in my lab I have phenol red. Here we go. Come. Here, this is the acid we are going to use. Okay, now I've added 2 milliliters of these to some water, and okay, this is the solution I've got. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this solution into this. Okay, after that I'm going to close this, keep it right there. And now I don't know if you have heard this. This is sodium carbonate. This is not sodium bicarbonate, it's sodium carbonate, which is another type of sodium. Now I'm going to scoop up 1 small spoon of these. Right, here we go. Now I'm going to add this, and voila, we have the color Naughty Pink. Here we have it. It's pretty easy to make. Alright, remember how we made it. Look. Okay, now I am going to add citric acid into this. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to scrape this thing off. Alright. Going to add a bit of citric acid into this. Okay. Then you will see it will getting lighter. Add more and more for your idea. Okay. And it will return to its normal color right there. Okay, the first color we made it was now back here. Now that's my experiment. Thanks for everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave the comments what you think about this under this video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next experiment. Bye.